today it's all about big brush. So I saw a video said, you should try to use the big brush, to start and keep using it as long as possible, because the smaller brush you start getting bogged down in all kinds of details, and generally, like, you finish a big detail and it's like, hey, that nose is in the wrong place. Like, that really happened last few paintings. So today I'm using this, I don't know, it's a 1/4 inch wide brush, a beautiful treacle brush, and trying to paint a peach, 2 plums, and a pear. And anyway, it was coming out okay, and I was always very tempted to grab that tiny brush and, do some kind of details, but I really, forced myself to just stick with the wide brush. So let it dry in between some of these layers. Attempted to paint a shadow here. It was not coming out very good, the shadow, but anyway, just patiently kept going on it. And then it was a lot of fun, and I don't know if that peach really looks like a peach, but if I say it's a peach, then boom, it probably looks like a peach. Put my initials, and that's it. My big fat painting today, big brush. Go big.